Here's a Gcash Ultimate Guide for Beginners.
Hi everyone, this is M and welcome to my channel.
Sa panahon ngayon, usong-uso na yung mga online transactions. Yung hindi mo na kailangan
mag-withdraw or magbayad. Kasi pwede ka na magbayad online. Yung tipong hindi ka nalalabas gamit lamang yung cellphone mo or yung laptop mo, pwede ka na magbayad ng mga bills katulad ng sa Meralco. Kayang-kaya na natin gawin yun.
Paano nga ba mag-download at mag-register sa Gcash? Tara, alamin natin. So, there are two ways para makapag-umpisa. The first one is to get a Gcash link and the second one is to download a Gcash app. So, the first option, the Gcash link. So, you will get this from a friend with an existing Gcash account. We will ask the link from a friend na meron ng existing Gcash account. So, pupunta lang tayo sa Messenger and then ikiklik lang natin yung link. Yan. After natin makapunta sa Messenger at maklik yung link, makikita ninyo na bubukas yung Gcash app. Once na magbukas yung Gcash app, ilalagay natin yung ating mobile number. So, alisin nyo na yung 0 sa unahan kasi meron tayong +63 dito. So, start tayo sa 9. Yan. So, ito-type lang natin yung ating mobile number. So, after nating i-type yung ating mobile number, next is mag-send ng 6-digit authentication code si Gcash doon sa ating phone. So, pupunta lang tayo sa messages and titignan natin doon yung OTP code. So, itatype lang natin yung OTP code na yun na ibinigay ni Gcash. Then, afterwards, yan. So, tayo ay meron ng Gcash account. Second option is the Gcash app. So, you can download this from App Store if you're using an iPhone and Play Store if you're using an Android phone. Let us start by simply clicking the App Store and then type in the word Gcash or Gcash app. So, sa iba naman, Play Store yung i-open natin. Then, magsi-search tayo hanggang sa makita natin yung Gcash app. So, katulad ng ibang app, all we have to do is to click Get or download or sa iba naman, install. Next, maghihintay tayo ng konti para ma-download. So, once fully downloaded na siya, all we have to do is to click Open. Then, magpapaalam si Gcash kung pwede siyang mag-send ng notification. Tapos, ayan, pag na-open na siya, all we have to do is to register. Log in kapag meron ka ng existing. Kapag wala pa, register.
Then, ganun ulit yung process. Same na same lang nung kanina.
After natin ilagay yung ating authentication code at na-submit na natin, we will proceed to register. So, meron tayong 3 parts. Yung first is tell us something about yourself. It's your basic information. Second is to review your information. So, i-check natin kung tama ba yung mga nilagay natin at dito na rin natin ilalagay yung referral code. And last, dito natin isi-set yung ating mobile PIN. So, ito ay nangangailangan ng 4-digit MPIN. And after entering the 4-digit MPIN, you will confirm and verify the 4-digit MPIN. Just make sure na itong MPIN na to ay kayo lang ang may alam and also dapat memorize nyo. And para malaman natin kung tama ang ginawa natin, makikita natin tong congratulations, we've successfully created a Gcash account. Marami tayong pwedeng gawin with our Gcash account. And makikita natin ito dito sa home screen ng Gcash app. And just a side note, never share your MPIN or OTP with anyone. Ayan, meron na tayong Gcash account. For our next video, we will know paano nga ba mag-verify ng Gcash account. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!